Have you ever wondered how to manage waste on your construction site effortlessly? Or are you tackling a big home renovation project? Introducing FTH Services LLC, your go-to destination for roll-off dumpster rental in Griffin, Georgia. No matter the size or scope of your project, we have the perfect solution for you. With various sizes available, we cater to all types of projects, big or small. Whether you're managing a commercial construction site or simply decluttering your home, FTH Services LLC has you covered. Our hassle-free process ensures you can focus on your project while we dispose of waste. But don't just take our word for it. Hear what our satisfied customers say about their experience with FTH Services LLC. With convenient doorstep delivery and expert guidance to help you choose the right dumpster size, we make waste management easy and stress-free. So why wait? Visit www.fthdumsterrental.com, Dumpster Rental Griffin GA, or call 478-993-5611 to book your roll-off dumpster rental in Griffin, Georgia today. Let FTH Services LLC help you streamline your waste management efforts and keep your project on track.